Welcome back again. My name is Katia Valino. If this is your first time, consider subscribing to this channel. This channel will never disappoint you. Guys, I have a very highly demanded video about makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I just started doing my own makeup. Some days I get them right, some days I get them wrong. So there was a picture that I posted last week on Instagram that is making so much noise, and people are asking me to share my makeup tips. I just recently started doing my own makeup, even though I have tons and tons of makeup that I don't really know how to use them. I have always done my makeup through a makeup artist, but recently I decided that I want to try makeup. So before I get into the main video, I wanted to do two videos in one. I wanted to talk about my new skincare fridge that I just purchased, and I wanted to incorporate that with my makeup. So I'm going to take you guys to my makeup section, which is right at my back, and then my fridge is also, this is my makeup fridge, is also within my makeup table. So without further ado, let me just take you on a small tour on what I have on this makeup table here. So this is the section where I keep my makeup. It's not a very big table, but it contains a lot, and I love the fact that it's not very big. And okay, so let me tell you guys what I have on my makeup table. In here, it's eyeshadow palette. I have this Forever and Ever. It's Mary Kay, and I haven't used this for the past 10 years or more. It's sitting there. I have never used this. It comes with a lipstick palette, comes with a lipstick in the case. The next one is this amazing Too Faced. It's also an awesome, it's Too Faced. I love the colors. They're popping. They're all summer colors. I think I've used this only one time in how many years? Maybe 2 years. Right here, it's another palette right here. It's makeup. This one, I also started using this a couple of months ago. It's been sitting with me for the past 1.5 years. I've never used that. I just started using that. So I also have another palette at the back here. So this, and this. And then I have my small travel. This is what I use when I travel. Okay, that one is broken. I'm going to change it. And then I have another box here, or container, where I put all my... So in this small case here, I have all the individual eyeshadows there. And then here is a small, here is where I have, on this corner here are all my eye pencils. Here are my lip liners. Over here are all my mascara. I have about 4 mascara. In here are some nude lipsticks, lip gloss in this compartment. Here are more lipsticks here, and more lipsticks on this corner. I also have this container here. They're all full of lipsticks. So over here in the other, so on this side here are my foundations. I'm going to put here to open it up. So I have my foundation. Some of them are drugstore. I don't remember which one is this. I think this is, who's this? This is Maybelline. This one is CoverGirl. This one is Huda Beauty, CoverGirl. I have some Mary Kay in here, and then I have all my concealers here. So they go right, I tuck them right in there. And over on this corner, let's see what I have on this corner here. I have black opal. Like I use different kinds of powders, depends on my mood. Bronzer, Sephora stuff. This is one of my most amazing ones. My Wet n Wild is a bronzer. I also have Neutrogena, so I don't really stick to one brand. Anyone that rocks the boat for me is what I use. And then over here are my brushes. I just cleaned out. Over here are my brushes, so I just cleaned out my brushes. Over here are my, what do you call this, beauty blender on this corner. And then right here I have my nail polishes. I am crazy also about nail polish, so I love different kinds of nail polish. But you can see my nails are even nude. I haven't done anything for the past 3 or 5 days. So so this is my little makeup corner. Oh, I forgot my contour set. This is Rihanna contour. I love it and I use it very often. Anytime that I do makeup, I use those contour. And here is my, what do you call this, setting spray. So I have setting spray. I also have some individual eyeshadows. So tell me, when I have all these things, why do I need a makeup artist? You know what? So let's get over to the fridge section. So I just pulled it out from the bathroom and put it on top here so that because I'm doing a video, usually this fridge stays in the bathroom. Now let's see what I have in this fridge. How this fridge comes. You can, even if you're traveling, you can use it as a hand luggage. Travel and go with this. It has the cold button and the warm button on the at the back here. Why I was thinking, or I am thinking that for the warmed one, I haven't really used it, but I figured that it's something you can use to warm up your towel. If you really want to steam up your face, you can put some of your hand towel in here or face cloths in here and use them to sanitize or steam off your face here. I love this. Another key thing is this. You can charge this in the car. This is the socket for to plug it into your car. So let's say you have a barbecue, or maybe you're going to the beach with friends, right? After you beach out and after you go to the beach and have all the fun, you wanna wash out the salt on your skin, on your face. So I think it's a good idea to take this when you're going on a beach or a resort. You know what I mean? So that after you do whatever you want to do, you're sure that your skincare is cooling off for you. Now, let's see what is inside my fridge. Ta-la! So I open up my fridge. Here is my DIY toner. This toner is made with tomato. It's made with tomato juice, potato juice, and ACV. So you know that DIYs does not come with any preservatives, and going up and down and up the stairs to go to the kitchen does not cut that for me. So that's why I have it in the fridge here. The next thing I have here is, this is also a DIY. This is the rice moisturizer. So this is a rice moisturizer that I made for myself. The big jar is in the kitchen downstairs. So I use this to transfer it over here. And when I run out, I just go and refill this in the kitchen. The next one is also a milk moisturizer. This is made with milk. So I didn't make it myself. I purchased this milk moisturizer. And for you to have the utmost benefits of milk lactic acid, it needs to be certain temperature for this to work fine on your skin. So I have it here. Up here I have my mask. This is my blueberry mask. I have more mask, but I use that as, so when I finish with my blueberry, I have more extra masks here. I keep refilling my fridge, and I have some in the kitchen downstairs. So whenever I run out of things in this fridge, I go downstairs in the kitchen and I refill them. So here are some of my drugstore moisturizers that I use. Drugstore moisturizer. This is Elizabeth Eden. Let me show you what else. This one is Eucerin. Is day cream. Is anti-wrinkle Eucerin cream. I have it in there. And the next one is also the Garnier anti-wrinkle SPF moisturizer. So this fridge is where I put my moisturizers. And you know, even whether you use over the counter skincare or you do DIY, it's always good to at least have. For moisturizer to really work on your skin, it has to maintain a certain temperature. Yes, if you don't maintain a certain temperature of your moisturizer, they don't work well. So this is why I have my fridge for today about my makeup and my skincare and makeup fridge. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I will leave the link, Amazon link, at the bottom of this video or the first comment section, or check the description box. You can pick yourself up. I'm not getting any money from that, but you know what, why not share where I get this. This cost about $50 US, which is about 65 Canadian dollars. So it's not bad, it's awesome. So I'm gonna toss it back here. So guys, let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most. Thank you for your time. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to subscribe and share the video. Remember to subscribe and share the video. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Leave me thoughts and comments, and I want to know, really want to know what kind of videos you really want to see now that you're indoors or now that summer is fast approaching. So thank you again.
Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my bed. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say